candidate, vice presidential nominee, and Senator John Edwards is facing 30 years in prison. Prosecutors say Edwards used nearly $1 million in campaign funds to cover up an affair. Edwards contends that the money was just a gift from friends. His federal trial starts tomorrow, as we've been telling you, in North Carolina. Joining me now is criminal defense attorney David Schwartz to talk about this. David, Edwards is charged with 1 count of conspiracy, 4 counts of illegal campaign contributions, and 1 count of making false statements. Which would you say is the big one here? Conspiracy?
Well, yeah, certainly the conspiracy, because the conspiracy laws are so broad that you could find a person 1% guilty of a conspiracy and they're guilty of the conspiracy. So certainly, look, he has got to take this seriously, the conspiracy, the campaign fraud, and the false statements. The false statements are the ones that he may go down for, actually.
So how hard do you think it's going to be, as we look at what's on the table here, for Edwards' team to prove that the money was a gift, as they say, and not a campaign contribution to try and cover up an affair and a mistress?
Well, let me just rework that premise for a second, Randy, because it's the prosecution's burden to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The viewers should know that the defense team could sit on their hands during this trial. If the prosecution can't prove their case, then he's not guilty. The bottom line is, though, I'm sure you're going to see a very aggressive defense in this case. And this case hinges on the fact that these funds were never campaign funds in the first place. And it's almost scary that the prosecution would bring a case like this. This case is unprecedented, and it's a complete stretch. These funds were never deposited in the campaign of John Edwards.
Yeah, but of course you have the go-between guy, Andrew Young, who of course will be a key witness for the prosecution. I mean, he's the one, he's probably the reason why this case is even going to court. And he was a go-between to try and work with Edwards to figure out how to get the money and how to pay for Riel Hunter, the mistress.
Yeah, but you know, we have to analyze this case in the abstract. Number one, the money that went in, it was a gift, okay? So it never entered the campaign funds. I understand it went to Young, and Young has credibility issues also, which is going to be a second line of defense for the defense team, because Andrew Young is accused of stealing the money and putting it towards his house. So that's going to be another line of defense for the defense team. The prosecution has a lot of hurdles to overcome in this case, but a jury can do anything.
We mentioned Riel Hunter. Does Edwards need to be especially concerned about her testimony, given that she has immunity?
Yeah, obviously, what the problem with the Edwards case is, he's a hateful human being right now in the eyes of the public, in the eyes of that jury. So the testimony of Hunter, the testimony of his then-girlfriend, who he fathered a child with while running for the highest office in the land, while his wife is sick with cancer, is going to be devastating to John Edwards to come over. And, you know, cases are won and lost in jury selection. You know, I'm sure they've voir dired heavily on the fact that you can't convict their client. You can't convict John Edwards based on the fact that you don't like him. You have to convict him based on the evidence at the trial.
Excellent point. David Schwartz, thank you so much. Nice to see you on this Sunday.
Thanks, Randy.